She called me up on the slide. She said, please don't tell all your friends, because they might tell my husband, and then you know I'll never see you. No, we're probably gonna I won't lie and say I like the way you talk that. Or something like it the way you thought that. So I'll see you at 16. You know I told her I would try. But still I couldn't have blood tape. Married girl, don't you wanna? Married girl, ain't you ready? Your husband in the river. It lasted for about 3 weeks, but now we love it. So married girl, don't you wanna? You might be left wanting.